This is a Heftyfab windshield washer reservoir skid plate. If you have a aftermarket bumper, high clearance bumper, it's exposed here, right next to the tire, prone to getting hit by something when you're off-roading. So this will fit right in here. You remove this bolt and this bolt. You have a 12 millimeter and 19 millimeter. Make sure to watch the second part of the video. That installation was a little bit different due to having to move a bracket so that we can get that bottom bolt to fit in. And we just keep it running and off. I can edit.
Okay. Just trying to do this with your hands on that one. Screen just went black.
I think it does that to like conserve energy. Battery.
I want to say energy, huh?
Yeah. I don't know. That doesn't move much. All right. Slide this up. So anytime you're doing this kind of stuff, always hand tighten, leave a little room for moving it around before you tighten one bolt, because you might have to realign things. Now it's recording again, so I'll scoot. I guess I can do it from here too. What's that one? Yep. All right, so I left these bare metal for now. We're gonna install the second one on my buddy's rig real quick. That way you don't have to rewind to see what we did. Obviously it's pretty simple. 2 bolts. Look at the detail and the laser cutting of these. It's pretty cool. Usually you'd have to do a windshield washer reservoir relocation, which isn't cheap, or this is the better option, it's cheaper.
All right. Mine's coming out crooked too.
Do you want to go ahead and...
Yeah.
All right, so we noticed that this bracket is pushing into the bolt. So what we're gonna do is remove this front one.
These 3 bolts right here. They're 14 mil.
All right, so we're using a pry bar in between the frame and the bumper to make this bracket push out just a little bit while we're removing that bolt.
Get that tension off of it. It comes right out.
Right behind you. Oh, there you go. To get a better fitment, you can put a couple washers behind this bracket. Right now we're just doing this for fitment before we paint these.